Hello everyone, I am Prathamesh and this is my summary presentation for the final project in CSCI E90 for fall 2019. Before we begin, here is something about me. I am currently working as a software engineer at Cengage here in Boston. I have a master's degree in computer science from Northeastern University. Apart from working, I enjoy photography and flying drones. Okay, so the overview can be seen in these 4 points. Setting up the database in RDS, setting up Lambda functions, setting up the API gateway, and creating the Alexa skill. Along with these 4 broad topics, I will also be showing you a small demo of the implemented Alexa skill. Here is a simple flowchart that shows us how the different components are going to interact with each other. The user would interact with the Alexa, which in turn would call the Alexa skill, which would call the Amazon API gateway, where we are defining all the API endpoints, which are basically Lambda functions that would read the database from Amazon RDS. Alright, so the first step in the process is setting up the database. I have used Amazon RDS to create a relational database using MariaDB. For this, I am using a desktop application called dbeaver to create the database, the tables, and insert values into those tables. This is how the application looks like. It's a very simple and easy to use application. Alright, so the next step is setting up Lambda functions. We need to set up Lambda functions to access the different tables in the database. To do this, we create a simple node program to access all the tables. This is a simple node program to access all the values in the table grades from our database. After creating this and testing locally, we can bundle this up and create a Lambda function for getting all the grades. We upload the zip file and then we can test this Lambda function to see if we are getting all the values or not. This shows that I am getting all the values that I have in the database by executing this Lambda function. Now that we have all the Lambda functions ready, we need to create API endpoints to access all those Lambda functions. To do this, we use the Amazon API gateway. So we create a REST API with the 3 resources for grades, homeworks, and students. I'm just using the get methods to limit the scope of the project. On testing, I can get the same values that I was able to get for get grades. This means that my API endpoint is working as expected. Alright, with this we have all the things necessary for us to create the Alexa skill. I have created a custom Alexa skill with custom intents to handle the various user inputs to access the different tables in the database. I've also used slots to get the user ID from the user to invoke the particular intents created by me. Here you can also see the screens showing the custom intents as well as the details about each intent, how it looks in the developer console. This is a screenshot from the Alexa developer console. Here you can see the various user inputs provided to Alexa. I have used the different intents and the invocations to access all the different APIs and tables from the database, to get the grades, to get the homework summary, and get the homeworks due for that user. I'll be giving a full working demo in the presentation coming up. I hope you guys have enjoyed this presentation. Thank you.